Okay, let's dig into this thing called the AI Matrix Spillover Compensation Plan.
So the big question is, how does this system actually claim to pay you? Let's find out.
The whole thing is built on what the source material calls a 2x12 matrix.
What does that mean? Well, you bring in two people, and that pattern just repeats itself, 12 levels down.
That first number, 2, is for your front line, the people you personally sign up. And yep, the 12 is just how many levels deep the whole compensation plan actually goes.
With that kind of structure, we're talking about a matrix that can potentially grow into thousands of spots.
Okay, now we get to a really key feature they talk about, which is called spillover. Basically, spillover is when people from your upline get placed into your team's structure.
And the whole point?
Well, they claim it helps fill your matrix up way faster.
Right. So how does all this turn into actual money? Let's talk payouts.
According to the plan, there are two main ways you're supposed to get paid.
First up, you've got fast start bonuses. That's immediate cash for personally recruiting someone.
Then there's the monthly income, which comes from all the filled spots in your matrix.
Now, the payouts change depending on the level, with the highest commissions at the very top and bottom.
But they say it's not just about the cash. It's also about building a long-term asset.
And what's that asset? Apparently, it's a huge email list built from your entire team's efforts.
All right, this brings us to their final and maybe biggest point. Timing is everything.
The core idea here is super simple. Get in early. That's where they claim the real potential is.
So the final pitch is that it's a simple system with a low cost and powerful leverage.
And they leave you with this final question. Are you going to watch? Or are you going to get positioned?